Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change app language on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you are going to scroll your screen until you find general management, and it's over here, so just tap on it. And since we want to change the app language, we can click on language settings right here. Then select the language that you want to use for your application. But if the language that you are looking for is not here, it's not on the list, so you can click on add language right here. Then you can scroll down to find the language that you are looking for. Then after that, you can tap on the language to choose it, and we can go back to the preview section. Then just click on the language that you want to use, and for me, I'm just going to use English language, so just tap on English language. After that, we can click on apply. Alright, and right after we apply this language to our phone, so the app language will be changed following the language of the phones. Okay guys, and that's how we can change app language in Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.